Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about an innovative and stress-free way to pack your suitcase, the 5-4-3-2-1 packing method. If you're like most people, packing can be a daunting task, especially when you're trying to fit everything you need into a limited space. But fear not. The 5-4-3-2-1 method simplifies the process, helping you pack efficiently while ensuring you have everything you need for your trip. Let's dive right in and discover how this method can transform your travel experience. The 5-4-3-2-1 packing method is designed to streamline your packing by breaking down your essentials into specific categories and quantities. Here's how it works. 5 tops. Start by selecting 5 tops. These can include t-shirts, blouses, or casual shirts depending on your destination and activities. The idea is to choose versatile tops that can be mixed and matched with different bottoms. For instance, a plain white t-shirt can be paired with jeans for a casual day out or with a skirt for a more dressed-up look. Try to pick tops that are lightweight and wrinkle-resistant to make packing easier and keep you looking fresh throughout your trip. 4 bottoms. Next, choose 4 bottoms. This could be a mix of jeans, shorts, skirts, or dress pants. Again, versatility is key here. Consider the activities you'll be doing and the weather at your destination. For example, if you're heading to a warm climate, you might choose a pair of denim shorts, a skirt, and a couple of lightweight pants. Remember to pick bottoms that can easily match with the tops you've selected to maximize your outfit options. 3 accessories. Accessories can make or break an outfit, and with the 5-4-3-2-1 method, you're allowed 3. This might include items like scarves, hats, or jewelry. Choose pieces that can enhance multiple outfits and add a touch of personality to your look. A statement necklace, for example, can dress up a simple t-shirt, while the versatile scarf can be used in various ways, as a wrap, a sarong, or even a blanket on chilly flights. When selecting accessories, think about their practicality and style. A wide-brimmed hat can offer some protection and add flair to your outfits. A lightweight scarf can double as a shawl or a head cover in conservative areas. 2 pairs of shoes. When it comes to shoes, the 5-4-3-2-1 method limits you to 2 pairs. This might seem restrictive, but with careful selection, you can cover all your needs. Consider packing 1 pair of comfortable walking shoes or sneakers for daytime activities and another pair of dressier shoes for evenings or special occasions. Make sure the shoes you pick are comfortable and suitable for your destination's terrain and climate. 1 suitcase. Finally, all your items should fit into 1 suitcase. The size of the suitcase will depend on the length of your trip and whether you're traveling with a carry-on or checked luggage. The goal is to pack efficiently and avoid overpacking. Use packing cubes to organize your items and maximize space, and don't forget to leave a little room for any souvenirs you might pick up along the way. When choosing your suitcase, consider its weight, durability, and organization features. A lightweight, hard-shell suitcase can offer protection for your belongings while keeping the overall weight down. Additional tips for the 5-4-3-2-1 method. Check the weather. Always check the weather forecast for your destination before you start packing. This will help you choose appropriate clothing and avoid packing items you won't need. Layering. Opt for clothing that can be layered. This not only helps with adapting to different weather conditions, but also maximizes the use of each item. For example, a lightweight cardigan can be layered over a t-shirt or under a jacket for added warmth. Color scheme. Stick to a cohesive color scheme to ensure that all your pieces can be mixed and matched. Neutral colors like black, white, gray, and navy are great choices, as they go well with everything and can be easily accessorized. Multi-purpose items. Look for items that serve multiple purposes. For example, a sarong can be used as a beach cover-up, a scarf, or even an impromptu picnic blanket. Toiletries and miscellaneous items. Although the 5-4-3-2-1 method focuses mainly on clothing and accessories, don't forget to pack your toiletries and other essentials. Use travel-sized containers for liquids to save space and comply with airline regulations if you're traveling with carry-on luggage. And there you have it, the 5-4-3-2-1 packing method. By following this simple guide, you can take the stress out of packing and ensure you have everything you need for a fantastic trip. Remember, the key is to choose versatile, multifunctional items and stick to a cohesive color scheme. This method is especially useful for those who tend to overpack or struggle with organization. It encourages thoughtful selection of clothing and accessories, making sure that each item you pack serves a purpose and fits well with the others. Next time you're getting ready to travel, give the 5-4-3-2-1 method a try and see how it transforms your packing experience. Not only will it save you time and stress, but it will also make your travels more enjoyable and efficient. No more lugging around heavy, overstuffed suitcases, just a streamlined, well-organized bag with everything you need. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. Join the traveling Fevah community and let's explore the world together.